The Cheeky Girls!
Merry Christmas!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jesus! Santa, tell me if you really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here last year. Santa, tell me if you really care. It's after giving all away if you won't be here last year. In the praises of love. Cool. Alam talaga? Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you're really there. It's after giving all away if you won't be here next year. Understand this story.
Kaya ito, dance sa naman sa party na lang ba yan?
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really care. It's after giving all away if you won't be here next year. Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really care. It's after giving all away if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really care. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really care. It's after giving all away if you won't be here next year. That was fun.
Oh, sabi siya. Ay, we'll play muna first. Dali. Fall in line. Fall in line. Siya.
Ah, play!
Siya, dali. Whoever was magpipili ng gift. Oh, fall in line. Fall in line.
Gift?
Fall in line. Fall in line. Sa center ka lang. Sa center. Siya, doon ka sa back kasi you're the tallest.
Okay.
Okay? Jump lang kayo left and right. Where's your left?
Connected.
Oh, jump. Jump sa left. Ito yung line na yan ha. Okay? Right. Oh, step on the line muna. Yan. Ito yung line. Yan. Yun ang tugsi at siya. Yan. Ha. Okay. Oh. Forward. Arms forward.
Parang sa school ah.
Yan. Ganyan. Isa pa. Yan ha. Okay? Oh, practice muna ha. Left. Right. Left. Practice na si Olive. Yan na. Oh, practice yan na. Oh. Okay, okay. Punta sa line muna ulit. Sa line. Arms forward. Yung Olive. Arms forward.
Dito lang.
Yan, para kita ka. Eunice. Okay. Okay, game. Ready? This is the real game na.
Ini baba mo na.
O, baba mo na yung hands nyo. Okay, this is the real game. March, 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 march. Left. March, 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 march. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Ay, Eunice, mabagal ah. Left. Right. Left. Left. You jump pa rin sa left. You jump pa rin sa left. No, you have to jump pa rin sa left. Okay, okay. Right. Right. Left. Left. Right. 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 Akin ako yung left. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. 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 Right. Left. Right. Right. Nakita ko si Ate. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Okay. Arms forward. Arms forward. Kita dapat kayo sa kanila. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back. Okay. Left. 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 Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Oh, left na sabi ko. Huwag mabagal ah. Dapat mabilis ah. Pag mabagal ah. Warning. This is a warning. Nag-right ka talaga. Okay. Right. Left. Right. Right. You get to choose first a quiet book. Okay, you get it. Yay! Next game!
I won!
Kayo maglalaro. Okay, oh. Dun.
Well, I already have that, bro. I won! March, 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 left jump. I won! I already had shoulder, knees, toes, get down.
Okay. Oh, sa balloons daw.
Balloon! Pop the balloon.
No, do not pop.
What's your
Get each balloon. You get each balloon. Dali. One each.
Come on. I'll take this one.
And then, yan. Dapat, anong tawag doon? Hindi babagsak sa floor. Yung balloon. Pero dapat, uso mo yung tipad. Pero dapat within the camera. Kasi pag hindi nakuha ng camera, hindi ko natin malalaman if you're a winner or not. Okay? So dapat dito lang. Pag pumunta lang kay Tita Alpine, papuntahin nyo, pabalik nyo dito. Kasi kapag hindi nakuha ng camera, you'll be disqualified. Understood? Oh, get in the camera frame. Okay, ready, set, go! Get in the camera frame. You need...
Oh my God! Sorry guys, the house. Wow, what now? Now that's the hard work of me at the sea. Sorry.
Okay, Olivia is out.
It's amazing.
One hand only. One hand. One hand. One hand. tagal na yun. Yung uso kasi, yung uso.
I wanna get fries! I don't know. Wala
Kaya mo
akong
na
fries.
yan.
Wala akong fries? Sige, wala.
Wala daw price, sige, wala.
Mamaya. Lalagyan ng price. Hanap si mami ng price. Okay? Now, anong gagawin ni mami? Dapat, go into the square. Square ng tiles, okay? Yan na. Okay? Close your eyes. Do not open your eyes. Tapos you have to march. Kapag nawala kayo sa square na yan, talo na kayo, ha? Okay? Close your eyes, ha? Close your eyes. Do not look down. Okay? Ready? March! March. Pag nawala sa square, tanggal na. March. Ano siya? Tanggal na sa square! Eunice, tanggal na sa square! Okay, later ka na.
Oh, sana all Olive!
Wala.
Nanalo siya.
Ito na lang kaya.
I got the same one as Olive! Ay, ko lang.
Baka mabilo ba?
Ay! Pass the calamansi. Ay, di! Yes! Pass the calamansi. Get the...
Pass the calamansi!
Ano? Get the ano?
Get the ano, fine. Sige, kaya mo.
Hindi, yung flip din ng ano? Ng button. Button flip.
We don't have a bottle.
Hindi, lalagyan mo lang ng water.
Okay, get the spoon and calamansi. Each of you get the calamansi.
Ang lagad.
Amin din po natin, miss. Lagyan natin pa ng button flip.
Sige, uno doon. Ay, dito kayo, dito kayo.
Thanks for my coffee.
Thanks for my gift. Okay, you have to circle here. Ay! Dito na lang mag-circle. Okay? Excuse me? Move! Hoy, move kayo. Doon ka tolke. Fall in line na. Fall in line. This is a team effort. You don't have to get calamansi pala. This is a team effort. Move. Yan, ha? You pass the calamansi to Eunice, Ate Eunice. Okay? Ready? Go! Ay, ang dali naman! This is a team effort.
Yan na yung hard part.
Yan na yung hard part, yung passing. Oy, don't let pass with the hand. Again, you circle it again. Dali, go.
Naulang ka.
Adiri ka na? O, pass. Huwag tumawa kasi. Again, ulit. Ikot ka again. Ikot. Tawa, sino tawa? Ikot again. Dali, go. Oh, ano ba naman yan? Ano ba? Ikaw naman muna, Eunice. Ikaw muna. Jingle bell! Ano ba yan? Nahulog na naman. Diyos mio. Ulit ako kasi tawa. Dali na! Huwag kasi tatawa. Para hindi bumuka yung bibig. Muso lang ni Marites! Ay! Nahulog! Ulit na! Ulit! Ikaw ito! Ulit ka! Ano ba yan? Dali ka na, dadamay pa to si Martis eh. Dadan kasi mag-pass. Oh, ba? Kasi siya mo naman muna. Oh. Doon ka sa dulo. Ayan, tagal naman yun. Okay, pass it to Roda. Ano naman yan? Siya, again.
Masyado mabigat ako.
Dadan kasi. Tsaka pa, paside.
Akit, close your mouth.
Oh! Yes! Ang galing!
Ate Iris, you go down ha.
okay.
Close your mouth. Go down.
Oh, ay! Side, dapat side.
Sakit Ate Sia.
Good job. Okay, good job. Kay Tinde. Kay Lena pala. Lena.
Lena.
Mokang pala. Ulog na para makita kayo dyan. Here comes Tanghal.
Wala, talo na kayo lahat.
Wala, talo lahat.
Kaya sabi na sa'yo, lagyan mo na lang kayo. Yung dito lang na ibig. Gusto mo kasi ka lang. Yung tawag sila.
Ay, nako. Ano?
Gusto ko na sumama para gumaling.
Next na next game na. Di na
Oh, next game na. Hindi kayo manalo-nalo dyan. Oh, sige. Don't play na. No blaming. No blaming. Another game. Oh.
Nawawalik ka na. Ibalik yung kunyari. Hindi ko talaga bibigyan. Tao niya. Mga hindi pa nag-toothbrush.
Ito daw, sabay.
Daddy! Check ko mo yung upuan para makikita kasi hindi kita pag-support.
Crush? Hey, ang tanggol.
Ito na, akin na yung upuan. O yan na, dun kayo sa bottle flipping. Okay. I-sample mo na ni Tanggol. Tanggol to. Sige, David go. David! David! David go, David. Ay! Sabi niya. Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Aray ko!
Fighting.
Ay, tanong mo na.
Ako muna.
David! David! Pinalo yung bat ko.
Ate,
Bakit?
sabi ko na yun.
Wala. Liv.
Sabi po na sa'yo.
Alam mo, Marites?
Ano ba yan? Pati dyan, talo rin.
Mali. Ba't ang dami laway? Ano to?
Sarado niyo yan, sarado niyo yan.
Sama ko
Wala.
Hindi kaya kailangan bawasan yung tubig.
Baka sa tubig.
Parang ano lang dapat 3 quarts.
Kala ko ilan ni Daddy.
Okay, now, twice dapat.
Mas mahirap to
1, 2. Okay, ha? Wata mo na. Use the English. Twice. 1, 2. Okay, no.
Wala, wala pa rin.
Babaan niyo, babaan niyo.
Yun isa ko dito.
Okay, wala siya. Twice.
Next.
Where's Skipper tayo, David?
Natuwa yan kasi natuwa.
Hoy!
Si David. Ano ba lang mo sa...
Oh!
Daddy, the winner!
Isa pa, isa pa.
Hindi kasama si Daddy. He's a joker.
Ay, ang tanggol!
Ayan ka.
Basta yun eh.
Tulog ka, nagiging ka sa tulog.
Magtuhay ang
Huwag
tuhay.
din.
Ganun lang, magtuhay.
Twice and twice. Kanta ka.
Oy!
Okay.
Sayang mo,
This
ha?
is-
Natuhay, natuhay.
Okay, now 3 times. Olivia, 3 times. 1,
Ang taas kasi.
2,
Tawa ka lang ulit.
3.
Ay,
Lapit na, muntik na.
1, 2,
Hoy! Baba mo lang, ate.
3.
Baba lang.
Mababa lang yung flip.
Baba lang yung clip.
O, tapos na 3 na. Pwede ka.
Oh, ganun lang, oh.
2,
Oh.
3.
Yeah!
Tutuwa sa camera ulit.
Asyan siya naman.
Siya lang.
Baka.
Go.
Ay, pababa lang. Bababa lang. Bababa lang.
2, 3.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Saka lang, tapos na tapos na kayo. Saka lang.
Oh, Ses.
Count your wins, ha?
Ses, ano?
One, count.
Pagkaswimming kayo mga kayo.
Three. No, two na lang kasi yung first mo na win ka na ng isa.
Galing ni
Okay, next game! Stop time!
Doon na sabi.
Dat pala ito ate, oh.
Okay, wait. Makinig muna, makinig. Stop dance, pero you dance without the music. Pag may music,
Stop.
pag may music,
Ay, si Santa Cruz. Ayan na.
pag may music, stop. Pag walang
Huwag ibigay ng
music,
pera sa
dance.
Kevin.
Understood?
Yes. Pag walang sound.
Pag walang music, you dance. Pag may music, you stop. You understand? DJ, you understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Das na yun. Pangatang das na ito eh.
Boka! Dali, dalawa naman. Dali. Kung sa likod dapat, dali ba? May ganun.
Ang galing ah.
Kaya ang bawal.
Guys ba yan? Hindi naman ganyan kasi. Parang pinakuluan lang kasi.
Ah, sa'yo.
Wait!
Ganito ko naman ito.
Eh, dati.
Ang galing ah. Wala nang natalo ah.
Okay? Pag nagkaroon ng music, dapat nakataas ang isang paa. Okay? Pag nag-stop kayo, taas ang isang paa. Okay, dance muna.
Mamaya, dalawang pa.
Oh! Taas ang paa, Eunice!
Dati, sabi ko talaga.
Dalawa nun!
Ang galing talaga.
Baka dalawang pa na.
Mamaya.
Start with your hands.
Start yung isang paa. Ito, taas yung isang paa at taas yung isang kamay, ha? Okay. Ready?
Kagano ka ba?
Dance muna! Uy!
Ah, dance!
Wala pa nga eh. Wait! Oh, nasa na tayo? Tanggal na yung isa na naman. Sinan?
Paano ba?
Eh, paano ayaw mo pakisisi?
Grabe.
Seven, eight,
Oh my God!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop na. Okay, dance.
Oh, sino?
Now, stand up yung left feet and then right hand ang nakataas.
Like this?
Okay. Dance muna. Hindi. Nagbuwan ako. Dance. Bakit naman ang dance? Parang pinamumunuan mo. Oh, hands na! Ano ba?
Next now, left! Mali agad! So hard, guys!
Okay, what's the game? Next.
So hard,
Ano?
Maubusan ito.
No one. Okay. Ganito ah. Alay, pass the message to ah.
Me first,
Okay.
me first.
No. You're the last one.
It's so hard to pass the message.
No. I will pass the message to Olivia. She's gonna pass it to Eunice and you pass it to Ate Sia. And then Ate Sia will say yung message.
Why me last?
Ano, magkikita tayo mamaya, ha? Okay? This is a team effort, okay? O, you need to leave. Talaga doon, tingin doon sa wall. Face the wall. Oh, Eunice, ay, Lee, balik ka dito. I'll pass the message to you. Ha?
Cover your ears.
Di dapat yung mag-message. Ay, ano ka lang siya. So, pass mo sa kanya. Tapos sisihin mo pa
Okay. Wait. Makinig mo nito. I'll pass the message to you, Olive. But she's not gonna say it. She's going to
Act it.
act it. Okay? Let's say, ano,
Okay.
I'll message to sa'yo is, ano,
Okay. Oh.
balloon. Oh, how will you say balloon kay Ate Eunice?
Naku, hindi alam ka.
Hindi, alam mo na. Paano pag sinabi mo flower?
Animals.
Sige, animals. Kaya animals.
Okay.
What if I say monkey? How will you pass the message to Eunice?
No sound.
No sounds.
Ganyan. O, ikaw, pass the message to Sia.
Dapat nakatalikod.
Kung ano yung ginawa niya, yun ang gagawin mo. O,
Tapos ang
pag
say-
ikaw, Sia.
Ano mo kayo?
Ano siya pa? Ano mukha mo? Ay, Sia. O. Okay, gano'n na. Okay, so animals tayo ha. O,
Talikod.
Kasi ayaw mamuhula.
O, si Ate Sia yung muhula ha. Anong animal? Punta kay Tita Pai. Gubulong ni Tita Pai kung anong animal.
Si Daddy yun!
Oh.
Ready?
Harap,
Eunice,
Eunice.
harap muna kay Eunice. Eunice, harap kay Olive.
Eunice.
Okay, go. What animal? What
That's frog.
animal?
That's frog.
Wait.
No! Don't sounds. No sounds. Okay? Okay? O, Liv. Ay, Eunice. Sabihin mo na kay Ate Sia. Ate Sia, tingin ka dito. Animal, no sounds. Aklang.
Close your mouth. Close your mouth.
Aklang. Anong animal yun?
Hindi niya po alam.
Sabihin mo.
Ano yun? Anong ginawa ni Oliver? Eunice, anong ginawa ni Oliver?
Chicken.
Chicken? Correct!
Wika!
Okay, sample lang.
Hindi na
yun.
wala.
Wala
Ano ba si Eunice? Nahirap si Eunice? Oh.
No sounds. No sounds.
No sounds ha. Okay, punta kay Ate Tita pa ulit.
No sounds ha.
No sounds
Oh,
ha.
yeah.
Yung aklang muna. Eunice.
Ready? Go!
Okay, o sige. Tapos din yan. O, ikaw, Eunice. Ano yan? Siya, harap.
Go! Go! What is that?
What is that? Ano yan? What is that?
Ayan! Ayan!
Hindi na yan.
Tiger
Ay,
yan eh.
no! Sabi mo, Olive, ano yan? Pakita mo muna, Olive. Pakita mo muna.
Ano yan?
Ano yan? Okay. Kahit yung gumagano. Isa pong soy.
Ikaw naman sa
Oh, siya naman muna. Siya yung ulit naman ng...
Hindi, si Eunice mamumula.
Siya muna.
Animals tayo, animals.
Animals friend. Okay.
Gawin mo yung
Action o iba?
Ready?
Okay. Ready?
Olive.
Olive, tingin kay siya. Okay. Eunice, tingin kay Olive.
Bunny!
Bunny, is it the bunny?
No!
Okay.
One more.
Sia. Ay, ano, one more, go.
Oh, talikod din.
Rabbit?
Ano si Mama?
Sia, ikaw ang pakita mo kay Eunice.
Bunny! No!
No.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Okay, Eunice, ikaw naman magsabi.
Ikaw naman, Eunice na magsabi. Punta kay Tita Pai. Tita Pai, animal. Tita Pai na animal. Okay, Sia.
Si Mama?
Okay, Olive, tingin kay Ate Sia.
Dog? Hindi.
No?
Sa'yo ba yun?
Cat? No, hindi. Ito tayo na daw.
Tita Pai, ano animal? Hindi ba?
Tiger dyan.
Tama! Ay, hindi. Pangatlong ano niya na yun eh. Pangatlo na yun eh.
Ano ba yun?
Egg.
Sino ba tumatawag?
Ayun.
Okay na.
Nakita ko na.
Okay,
Kaya
next.
to winter Which game? Which game?
Sino na? Si Olivia.
Si Olivia na.
Siya
Kaya to Fred. Okay, punta kay Tita Pai. That's an intermission number.
What's an intervention number?
Go!
Pakita mo sa camera, pakita mo sa camera. Oh, siya. Don't say it. Pakita mo yan.
1, 2, 3. What?
Ngi.
Nge.
Dog?
Dog, gumagano. Baka ako, kaya ko yan.
Oh, ano?
Ako, kaya ko yan.
5, 4,
Ikaw, pakita mo ano nga
Favorite mo yan.
1.
Deer.
No?
Kaya naman mag-favorite ang deer.
Ano? Sabi mo sa camera. Iris, sabi mo sa camera.
Horse!
Oh!
Show the horse to camera. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Horse.
Ang pinakamagaling mag-show si Olive. How many wins na si Olive? Naku, mawawala yung game dito. 4? 3. Oh, si
Ano yung horse? Sabi mo yung horse.
Ano 4 wins mo?
3 yun. Before kasi nalala siya dito yung ano yun. Dalawang rounds lang siya dito eh.
Ano na, di na maalala ko.
yung bottom left na 3.
Oh, yun na.
Yung sa left and right, yung bottom flare tapos dito.
Okay, oh,
Sige
sige.
na.
Sige, lang. 3 din.
Pero meron na siyang 1 na gift, diba?
Ito.
So, 2 na lang.
Ate siya, 1.
1 gift lang. 1 gift. Okay, next game. Next game.
Bring me.
Bring me? No, I don't like a bring.
Pero wala naman ng bibili. Ay!
Ano?
Ano?
Ano na? Ha?
Agency.
Paano kayo hindi na kayo makikita sa camera pag nag-agency?
Anong games?
Medyo wala na.
Ano? My name is Pooh. My name is Pooh. Kung sino ang kamali, out.
Ano yun?
Name is Pooh. Pooh. Piccolo, Chinese, Japanese, Philippines, Philippines,
Ano ba yun?
Fish.
Ano ba yun?
Fish.
Ano game?
Ano pang game? Sige, mag-suggest. Ano
Tiger it.
how can you tell? Kailangan kita lang sa camera, no? Oh, sige. Tayo kayo doon. Dali. You, Caroline. Sing kayo doon. Patayo mo na, Pai. Mag-Caroline kayo. Dali. Para papalabas natin yung mga Caroline kayo. First song. Oh, mic. Get the mic. Get the mic. Pass the mic. Pass the mic. Pass the mic. Come on. Pass the mic. Mag-Caroline kayo. Oh.
Salamat sa amin.
Oh, first
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
First song. First song.
Jingle bells.
What's the first
Jingle
song?
bells.
Okay. Hi, we're the Chica Girls. We're
Hi.
gonna sing.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
No, you say muna.
Hello.
Hi, we're the
Hello.
Chicky Girls.
Hi, we're the Cheeky Girls. Hi, we're the Cheeky Girls.
And we're gonna sing.
Jingle bells.
Okay.
Jingle bells. Sabay-sabay lang ba? Jingle bells, jingle
Wala,
bells,
stop,
jingle
stop,
all
stop,
the way.
stop. Ready? Go!
Hi, we're the Cheeky Girls. Ulit.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Go.
Hi, we're the Cheeky Girls. And we're going to sing Jingle Bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the families to ride on this open sleigh. Hey! Jingle, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the families to ride on this open sleigh.
Patawad!
Di ba kasabi niyo, pinakos niyo na yung 12 days of Christmas?
No, we didn't.
Oh,
We didn't anymore.
Hindi na tayo, hindi niyo na maalala.
Birthday of Christmas,
Practice
you
go.
sent to me. Just
Nakalimutan talaga.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love said to me, one partridge in a tree, in a
No,
tree.
one iPad for me.
First.
The second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 iPhones and 1 iPad for me.
Ayun!
O, ganito na lang. Talent show na lang.
Talent show! Talent show!
Talent show, okay.
Ano gawin natin siya?
No talent
Talent
show.
show. Ano gawin natin
Talent.
siya?
I get to see.
Oh, who's gonna go first? Me. Okay, the smallest
Yes.
go first. Okay.
Sige, dance.
Ano? Ano sasayawin mo?
Ano sa'yo? Tabi mo na kayong dalawa. Tabi mo na kayong
Sasabihin
dalawa.
mong TikTok.
Uy, tabi mo na kayong dalawa. It's not your talent
Alam
show.
mo, magti-TikTok ka eh. Bilis go.
Anong talent mo?
TikTok.
Santa Day.
Santa, tell me again. Yung
Santa Ternia, yung another one kasi nasa alam mo.
nasayaw niyo na kanina Santa Ternia.
Salamin.
Ano yung sinasayo mo kanina?
Salamin.
Hindi ka yung buwag yung ganyan ka.
Wait! They don't love me like I love
Bakit ganun ka? Wait! Hindi ako magamit.
Ano yun?
Yung apat si?
Apat daw.
Kapatid. Okay, wait. DJ, play the music.
Lang po.
Si Tita Ray pa lang, DJ Asa.
DJ Asa.
DJ,
Asa.
Si Tita Ray, DJ Asa po.
Tama.
DJ also.
May si Tita Ray na DJ Asa. Apat si What's up, ha?
Ano? Walang internet. May internet ba?
Ako. Magkalit ako sa PLDT. Hindi, tapos
Ready? Okay, good job. Next naman. Ano si Ate Inis? Ano si Ate Inis?
Iris, hawak mo ko ito. Ang gano'n, ang gano'n. What?
Ano ang singin mo?
Believer?
Ha?
Alam mo ba yun?
Believer.
No? Di ba mo kakantayin mo yun kung hindi mo
Ano ka tayo hindi mo alam? Ano yung kakantayin mo?
In the name of love. In the name of love lang yung alam ko po eh.
Ano yung alam?
In the name of love. Love.
Tita Pai?
The name of love.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. Wow! Nice! If I told you this was only gonna hurt, if I warned you that the fire's gonna burn, what you want is, would you let me do it us real on the name of love? Would you simply lead you even when you're blind in the darkness, in the middle of the night, in the silence, when there's no way inside, would you call on the name of love? Name of love. Name of love, in the name of love, name of love, in the name of
Finish na? Okay. Next na. Siya. Ang dat siya.
Rewrite the stars.
Ha?
Rewrite the stars.
Rewrite the stars.
You got a good score, you know.
It's not a secret, I tried so hard. You know you want me. So don't you say it hurts to touch. You can't start the cards are finished pulling your miles away. Out of reach from me, but you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide it's you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say we're meant to unite. Nothing will keep us apart. You be the one I'm meant to find. It's up to you, now it's up to me. No one can say what we can be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight.
Okay, good job. O, sino na next?
Olivia ulit.
Dalawa na sila. O, pwede kayo magdalawahan. O, anong kanta yung magkapatid?
Ano?
Anong gawin yung kanta?
Ano? Horse mo yan? Horse mo siya?
Iipit ka ba siya?
Pwede kayo yung three. Sasayaw, wait!
Si Ate Sia tsaka si Daddy meron din talent. Daddy, where are you? I'm not plus Daddy.
Sabi ko si Sir Viola.
Rigor, baka.
Rigor!
Rigor! Gusto mo lang ako. Talent niyo. Anong talent niya? Si Sia. Takay mo kasi.
Si Olive na tsaka si Chigi, meron pa.
Bakit naman try?
Performance ba si Chigi tsaka si ano? Si Olive. Gagayain ni Olive si Chigi.
Si Olive tsaka si Chiki? Hindi kayo nakinig ba?
Yung isa, si Pistachio.
Pistachio?
Pistachio! Si Pistachio, Pistachio. Anong sasawin niyo?
Oh, check Sia.
Chicken!
No, huwag niyo babayin si Chigi.
No!
Ano sasawin niyo yung dalawa?
Ano niyo? Ano? Si Daddy? Ayaw niya. Okay.
Kayo dalawa nung ano gusto niyo?
Ay, tatlo na lang.
Okay, tatlo. Wait.
That
Wait.
one is mine. Love me, I can find a silver lining, but I can't judge. Enough is enough. Wait!
Hindi kita sinis! Hindi kita sinis!
I almost forgot it. Add.
Ano yan, Hans?
What's that? Oh, I didn't know.
Dance. Come on, dance.
Ito, maganda rin, oh. Ito. Ano to? Sir, mamay ko na.
Aray ko! Dapat ba?
died with a smile. If the world was ending, I would be ready
Next na ba?
I don't wanna do this anymore. You wanna know what's real to me. I love the
Hindi na alam.
Nobody's promised tomorrow. So all I that is the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Stay till I'm ready.
Nag-exercise na kanina para madaming makain ulit.
Wala lang.
Bye-bye!
Babay, babay, kaya natang babay.